Happy fall, you all. Welcome to Mickey and My Craft. This is Hilda, your host. Welcome on new subscriber. Welcome the regular subscribers, returning viewers, new viewers. Thank you for keeping company to me. Over here in this day, we are in the series of beading cross stitch for Stitch Along on Sunday. Don't forget to hit for the people who came across to this channel and haven't subscribed, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the notification bell for future videos. We have other playlists, other craft in the channel. Okay, if you want me to do another craft, a demo or rotated, please let me know in the comment box. Now, so we are here. I did quite a little bit, and I starting the center of the sunflower. I couldn't do that much because Microsoft updated my computer and they took out the old video editor and the click champ from Microsoft. I can handle it. I mean, it takes too long, so I have to use the NCH video pad editor, which also takes a little bit long, but I know how to manage better. So without further ado, we're gonna continue today. It's early in the afternoon, so I probably gonna be doing quite a bit of this. It's gonna be on time lapse, and again, when I have to change thread, I pause and change thread and come back to it. Okay, hope everybody's doing okay. So let's get started. I have to use most of the time the chart, so I will know where I am. Let me fix the camera so you guys can do this. And oops. But the problem is my visor. So let me Okay, guys, I just discovered something and I have to undo all this. Okay, and I'm gonna tell you why. This is when two symbols are so similar that you get confused. And I didn't look twice. I just noticed something. And I'll tell you why. This is number 11. This one over here. You see how little they have, right? And this is number 3. You know how much he has. And probably has some more in the... Yeah, it has some more in here. So what happened is, number 3, if you notice, it's a star that have about 8 legs. Number 11 is another star that has about 6. Okay? So I'm assuming that all this is number 11. No. When you look at the pattern, over here, let's see if we can show it to you real good. Let me see. If you can see over here, is the one that has 8 legs, which is number 3. Okay? Which is this one. So these ones were supposed to be the ones to go down here in whatever pattern it is. Okay? All this. And these one are supposed to number 11. And I was noticing because I'm running out of number 11. And number 11 only have like 1 bead left. Let me see if I can find it. Yeah, here's number 11. Only have 1 bead left. So I'm going to stop it over here. The camera is asking me for another battery. I'm going to have to start to break all this down, do it until this, and then the next time we meet, well, we're going to do it correctly, which is 1 week. So I have 1 week to do all this plus whatever else I have to do. So sorry, folks. I'm going to have to stop it over here. Thank you for watching. You know, so I had to change everything. I had to break all this, okay? Hopefully, I'm going to try to break all this area and reinforce this so I don't have to do all this all over again, okay? So thank you for watching. Have a wonderful weekend. Don't forget to hug and kiss your fur baby from Mickey and I. Until the next time, much love and peace to all of you. Bye.